A man caught with more than 1,000 stolen eggs in his fridge has claimed he stole them from the factory where he worked for personal consumption. Not only that, he had scribbled dates on them in pen to remind him when to eat his next eggy delight. The 47-year-old security guard, whose surname was Gu, was spotted by police smuggling 2 suitcases of stolen goods out of the factory where he worked in Pinghu City, China. Police found more than 1,000 eggs in his fridge, as well as meat, soap, boxes of tissues and bottles of detergent. Gu said, "I lost count how many times I have stolen. Probably hundreds of times. I have stolen everything in my house." A spokesman for the factory said, "We are as surprised as everyone else that it was the security guard. We thought he was a hard-working and dutiful guard who enjoyed working night shifts because he didn't have a family to go home to. Now we have found out that he did it so he could roam around and steal without anyone seeing him."